Hi everyone, Stephen Daniel Kakmak here from McConnell Bourne. We're officially now into 2021, but we wanted to do a comparison wrap up for the year 2020 that was by comparison to the year before, 2019. Now 2020 was a very tough year for everybody. The property market also had its ups and downs, but we finished off quite strong, and some interesting stats to talk about for 2020.
Yeah.
So throughout 2020, Willoughby saw 106 sales. By comparison to the year before, 2019, there were 111 sales. So that is only about 4.5% down on turnover from the year prior.
Big ticket item was the average sale price. Now, obviously, heading into February, March last year, there was a lot of concern, and rightly so, and it was in some ways indicative in the sales prices that we were seeing. But it just took off like a rocket from about June, July onwards. So much so that, in fact, that the average sale price in Willoughby is up 13.4% for 2020 compared to 2019. So we were hovering in 2019 just over 2.4 million as the average sale price, and 2020 finished off at just over 2.75. So a massive jump.
Which was supposed to be one of the toughest years. Now, days on market for 2020 versus 2019 have dropped by about 7 days. So the average days on market for 2020 was sitting on 30 days from getting property from listed to sold. Here's what's more interesting. Now, last year, 7 homes in Willoughby breached the 4 million mark. By comparison to the year before, there was only 3.
So what that's telling us is obviously the prestige market. I mean, Willoughby's always been, a destination suburb. We know that, but it really is starting to move into that upper echelon, and hopefully that's going to set the trend for, an even bigger year on the higher end.
Well, look, we're already seeing that for the first quarter of this year. We're seeing a really strong start. Low stock levels are fueling demand for people to secure a home in the area, but I mean, 2020, what a strange and wonderful year. Strange in a sense that, a lot of things happened, but I'm really blown away that the average sale price has crept up that high. And also, Willoughby saw the highest sale price in 2020 ever for a house transacting in Patrick Street, Willoughby, for 5.8 million at the beginning of 2020. Admittedly, before COVID lockdown, but still, those numbers are staggering.
Yeah, we're not seeing any signs of it slowing down either at this point. Look, that could turn on a dime, but right now, make hay while the sun shines, it would appear. So,
if you want any more stats around what we're seeing in the first quarter, or just wanted a bit more information about the market in general, feel free to reach out. Dan and I are always happy to help.
Thanks, and all the best.